Enter the FiiO Snowsky Disc, a tiny powerhouse that's redefining what a portable music device can be. At first glance, its design is unmistakably nostalgic, evoking the classic iPod Nano with its square shape and tactile physical buttons. But don't let its vintage vibe fool you. This little device is packed with features built for today's audiophile. Storage? Up to a massive 2 terabytes via MicroSD card. That's enough space for approximately 8,000 albums. Carry your entire music collection wherever you go, without relying on internet or streaming. Audio output options cater to all preferences, with both 3.5mm single-ended and 4.4mm balanced headphone jacks. Whether you're using everyday headphones or high-end audiophile gear, the Snowsky Disc has you covered. Need wireless freedom? The Snowsky Disc supports AirPlay over Wi-Fi, allowing you to stream your favorite tracks to compatible speakers with ease. No wires, no fuss. Under the hood, a dual DAC architecture ensures exceptional sound quality. Plus, it doubles as a USB pass-through device, enabling high-resolution audio playback directly from your phone or laptop. Speaking of wireless, Bluetooth support includes LDAC, the gold standard for high-resolution audio streaming. So, whether you're using wireless earbuds or headphones, you won't compromise on sound. The Snowsky Disc also serves as a versatile digital hub. Connect it seamlessly to laptops, smartphones, or your hi-fi system. For those who prefer a traditional setup, an SPDIF output lets you link directly to home DACs and amplifiers. Battery life? Solid 12 hours of continuous playback, perfect for your daily commute. And while it's compact enough for the gym, its unique shape might have you reconsidering your workout style. Launching this January at an affordable $80 or £80, the Snowsky Disc comes in 3 stylish colors: sleek black, playful pink, and vibrant turquoise.